I have a huge series of craniofacial deformities. You know my textbook on Maxillofacial, also my textbook on craniofacial surgery. Both the books are very popular. And that's the fibula. Now I am modifying it, to the convenient shape for the maxilla, fixing small plates, removing the excess. Now take that along with the paddle of skin, take it into the mouth. Alright, see? You can see I'm fixed on the Zygoma on either side. I put the plate and the skin paddle used as and the microvascular surgeon connects the facial artery to the perineal artery, and that's how it's okay. So he comes back, he's happy. No obturator, he's not wearing the obturator, but he wants teeth now. He says, Doc, I want the teeth. He came back from Delhi. So I will put the Zygoma implant also. Okay.